organic we talked about. If it's not organic, then it could be genetically modified, and it could have a lot of pesticides on it that could be toxic. We're trying to move away from refined, processed, chemical-rich foods. So it's very difficult to do all organic, and it's very expensive to do all organic, but trying to avoid some of the foods on that Dirty Dozen list that I'm going to show you in a moment is ideal. And in the summertime, in Connecticut, we are rich with co-op farms that have wonderful produce, and some of them aren't certified organic, like Holcomb Farm that I belong to, but they follow organic farming practice. So they just don't spend all the money on the certification for that standard, because everybody knows that the food is just great. The produce is grown really well. So trying to stick to that list. Okay. So the Dirty Dozen is talking about these are particular vegetables and fruits that tend to have more pesticides on them and can be more harmful to us. So trying to buy organic celery, peaches, strawberries, apples, blueberries, nectarines, bell peppers, spinach, cherries, kale, collard greens, potatoes, grapes. This, by the way, if you just type into Google, Clean 15, Dirty Dozen, it'll come up. So don't worry that you don't have it written down. It's such a simple, simple thing to find online. Okay? And then for the Clean 15, these are fruits and vegetables that are typically less sprayed with pesticides, and so we're usually able to eat them easier. So onions, avocado, sweet corn. Although a lot of the corn in Connecticut is genetically modified, so just, you know, it's just asking questions. Pineapple, mangoes, sweet peas, asparagus, kiwi, cabbage, eggplant, cantaloupe, watermelon, grapefruit, sweet potato, honeydew melon. So those are typically ones that you can handle better if they're not organic. So it's just a way to, but if you go online, you can find even beyond this list.
What would you say if not on one of the lists? So is that
well, if you're certain that it's not like genetically modified, right? And whether it's Trader Joe's or somewhere you're more comfortable with the source, it's such a thick skin that you know that it's not going to be as terrible for you.
Okay.
But if you just type in, you'll get more than this list. This is just the standard, but you can get a lot more information. This is the worst of the worst as far as sprayed. So it's unlikely that it's as bad as this. I definitely eat non-organic oranges from time to time. But you know when they're genetically modified because you find that the skin is so thick and the orange is so small and it's not very juicy. I mean, you kind of like, a lot of the produce you can kind of tell this is probably not totally natural. So.